Oh, this is a playground full of four-wheel drive tracks, trail bike tracks, mountain bike tracks. We usually ride our trail bikes, but I thought with the Ranger we'd bring this up and you can show me what it's capable of.
There's obviously quite a significant hill on the other side of this little mud pit. So as soon as we get through there, we want to have enough traction and torque to just cruise right up there. But let's put in neutral.
Yep.
Put into 4 low. Oh, this little image is going to come up there. It's shifting.
Traction control is off.
If you want, we can put the diff lock in as well. You should see that icon.
Got it.
Perfect.
Yep.
When we engage full low, basically have a lot more torque to get up these hills. We're not going to have to change gears as much. It's just going to give us that little bit more grip with all 4 wheels putting down the power. Surface is pretty slippery up here as well. So the Ranger is equipped with an electronic diff lock. When we lock the diff, what we're doing is making both rear wheels rotate at the same time. This makes sure you don't lose any momentum if one of the rear wheels loses some traction. That's going to give us that extra drive to get up this sort of a hill.
Mate, this is getting up with ease, to be honest. I was a bit worried looking at it, but we got the vehicle to do it.